Teacher, as you know, this is final exam and students know very well that they don't have any options. They are in stress. So can you just guide us how to handle exam stress and some of the important tips to manage the exam pressure?
Exams are an important phase in every student's life, and even though they prepare well, many still experience pressure and stress during this time. However, staying calm and composed is crucial because it helps them recall what they have studied and perform better in their exams. Instead of panicking, students should focus on maintaining a positive mindset and effective study techniques. One of the best ways to reduce stress is by making key notes while studying and revising them, especially in the last few hours before the exam. These notes act as a quick reference and help reinforce important concepts. Revision is essential, but it should be done with a relaxed mind. Stressing out too much can make students forget what they have learned, and in some cases, it can even cause them to go completely blank during the exams. Parents also play a vital role in supporting their children during exams. They should reassure their children that putting in their best effort is more important than just focusing on the outcome. Encouragement and emotional support from parents can boost students' confidence and help them stay motivated. Seeking blessings from parents and elders before heading for an exam can also bring a sense of positivity and confidence. It is a small yet meaningful practice that gives students emotional strength and motivation to do their best. Another effective method of preparing is peer study. Discussing topics with friends, solving doubts together, and sharing insight can help students understand concepts better. Group discussions often provide new perspective and strengthen understanding. However, it is important to ensure that these discussions remain focused and productive rather than causing unnecessary stress. Ultimately, exams are just a part of life, and while they are important, they do not define a student's entire future. With proper preparation, a calm mindset, and support from family and friends, students can face exams with confidence and perform to the best of their abilities.